Good morning, student. How are you? In my previous video, I explained you vitamins and minerals. So, in my today video, I will explain you water and roughage. So, student, take your rough copy and one pen, and when I am explaining, you can note down the important points. Student, I explained you all the body nutrients which we get from the food: carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Even student, water and roughage, they are not nutrients, but they are very essential, that is here water and roughage. They play a very important role in our body. Is it clear? See student, water helps in digestion of food and absorption of nutrients in our body, and also helps in throwing out waste from the body. So student, drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. Student, our body is composed of about 60% water. Now, why water is so important for our body? Water helps in digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and it also maintain our body temperature. It removes the toxins from our body. Is it clear? See student, when the food is eaten by you, then all the nutrients that nutrients are absorbed in the body, and these are circulated to all parts of the body. So student, some of you are thinking that when sir explained the process of digestion, at that time sir told that the nutrients are absorbed by our body, and then these nutrients are entered into the blood. The absorbed nutrients absorbed in the blood, and we know that what is the function of our heart? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. So student, Don't confuse. See, child, here I am saying that it helps in digestion, it absorb water, absorb the nutrients, and it circulate to all parts of the body. So why I am saying that? A reason is that, student, the liquid part of the blood is what? It is water. Is it clear? The liquid part of the blood is water. That is the reason I say that the nutrients are absorbed and then it is circulated to all parts of the body. And our body parts, all body parts are made of very small parts called it cells. So for the proper functioning, all part need energy. So in this way, it absorbs the nutrient and circulate it to all parts of the body. And the liquid part of the blood is what? Water. And why the color of the blood is red? It is due to hemoglobin. Color of the blood is red due to hemoglobin. It is a protein. Understand, student? So water helps in digestion. Water helps in absorption of nutrients. It also helps in circulation of nutrients to all parts of the body. And even, student, it removes toxin from our body. See, do you remember when I explained you what is the function of our kidney? At that time I explained you kidney filters the blood. What is the function of kidney? Kidney filters the blood wastage and it is removed from the body in the form of a urine. Is it clear? So, student, here the wastes which are produced by different parts, you can say, or from the cells from which the body is made, it mixes with the blood and that wastes are filtered by your kidney in the form of a urine. So student, in this manner water help in removing the waste liquid from our body. In this manner water remove the waste liquid from our body. So student, the better your kidneys will work, you must drink lot of water, because the more efficient your kidneys are, the more toxins are being eliminated out of your body. So this and even water maintain the body temperature also, student. Have you observed when you are in such type of a place where the climate is very hot? Is it clear? If you have not observed, then observe it. When the climate is very hot, then what's happened? In the form of a sweat, our body lose water. So in this manner also, water loses from the body, and so that our body remain cool. So that our body remain cool. Is it clear? Now student, these, so water is very important for the proper functioning of the body. So student, water is very important for the proper function of the all parts of the body, and that is the reason, student, we should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, because water enter in our body in two manners. Most of the food, fruits, or food which we are eating, in all the foods there is lot of water. In this manner also we take water, and another way is that we drink water. So student, for your good health and proper functioning of all parts of the body, please drink at least 8 to 10 of glasses of water every day. Is it clear, student? I think you all are able to understand why water is so important for our body. Why water is so important for our body. Next, student, roughage. Now student, understand what is roughage. I write one thing. Okay. Roughage, it is the undigested portion of food derived from plants. Is it clear? When we are eating the food, student, at that time there are some parts of the food which our body cannot digest. So student, these part of the body which is not, this part of the food which we get from the plant and which is not digested by our body, even student, this roughage is very helpful for us. Is it clear? No nutrient value in roughage, but student, this roughage which is the undigested part which we are getting from plants is very helpful for us. It helps us, our body, to get rid of undigested food. So I explain you, in the process of a digestion, what's happened? Nutrients are absorbed. Is it clear? From the small intestine, the paste move to a large intestine, where water and salts are absorbed, and that portion of the food which is of no use, that goes throughout the body through the organ anus in the form of feces. So this roughage make that paste soft, so that it can be easily easily go out from your body through the anus in the form of a feces. Is it clear? So this is the advantage of roughage. Student, this is the advantage of roughage. One more time I am explaining. Understand it. Roughage. What is roughage? Roughage is that part of the plant which is not digested by our body. But even student, it is very helpful for us. It helps us, our body, to get rid of undigested food. And we know that undigested foods come out of body as stool, and so it make the paste, these fibers make the paste very soft. Is it clear? And this is the advantage of roughage in our diet. Now what is the disadvantage of roughage? Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage of roughage? The disadvantage of roughage is it has no nutrient value. Is it clear? It does not has any nutrient value. That is the disadvantage of roughage. But even water and roughage plays a very important role in our body. Okay, student? So water and roughage are very important for our body. So student, these roughage are found in fruits and vegetables, and it contain a lot of fiber. In vegetable you will observe there is lot of fiber, and the same thing you will observe in fruits also. Okay, now next, student, we have now let, after teaching you different nutrients in our body, now let check, now let check your knowledge whether you are able to understand or not. First one, dash give us energy for our daily activities. So student, when I Yes, anyone can give the answer. Yes, Vishnu. What is the answer, beta? Dash give us energy for our daily activities. Answer is food. Okay, very good answer. So, student, the answer is food. Answer is food. Food give us energy for daily activities. Now, student, do you remember when I teach you that we are getting all the nutrients by eating the food? Because student, these our body cannot make these nutrients. Our body cannot make these nutrients. So from where we are getting this nutrient? We are getting this from the food we eat. From the food we eat. Is it clear? So student, and living organism divided in three categories: plants, animals and human being. So we are getting food from plants, and even we are getting food from animals also. Is it clear? So first question is, dash give us energy for our daily activities. So answer is food. Next, now second question. Rice, wheat and sugar are rich in dash. Rice, wheat and sugar are rich in dash. So student, I explained you different types of nutrients and the source of food in which these types of nutrients are formed. So very good, many of you are raising the hand. Excellent. Who will give the answer? Okay, Diksha, what is the answer? Carbohydrate. Very good, excellent answer. Rice, wheat and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. Is it clear? So rice, wheat and sugar are rich in carbohydrates. Very good. Next, third one, fat help to keep us dash. Yes, you know student, fat provide us more energy than carbohydrates, and fats are also stored in our body under our skin. So fat give more energy than carbohydrates, and it can be stored under our skin. So question is, fats help to keep us. Yes, what is the answer? Anshu? Warm. Okay, very good answer. Sit down. Fats help to keep us warm. It keeps our body warm. Fat. Is it clear? Fat help to keep us warm. Next, fourth one, fruits and vegetables are a good source of dash and dash. Fruits and vegetables are good source of dash and dash. Okay. Yes. Amit, give the answer. Only one answer you will give. There are two blanks. So give the first answer. Fruit and vegetable are good source of vitamins. Okay. Abhishek, what will come in the next blank? Minerals. Okay, very good answer, student. Very good. Fruits and vegetables are a good source of dash and dash, vitamins and minerals. I am writing the answer on the top because space is very less. So, fruit and vegetables are good source of dash and dash, vitamins and minerals. Okay, very good. Now next, fifth question. Dash help to regulate our body temperature. Just now I told you how our body temperature is maintained. So I give you one hint also. Just I explain this thing. Yes, who will give the answer? Dash helps to regulate our body temperature. So, yes, very good answer. Water. What is the answer? Water. Water. Dash helps to regulate our body temperature. So, answer is water helps to regulate our body temperature. Okay, student. Now see the topic which I explained you. That's the five main nutrients are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. And even student, we also need roughage and water in our diet. Okay, these are not the nutrient, but water and roughage are very important part of our diet. Is it clear? Now student, you can, when you make a diet chart, when you make a diet chart, what nutrient you are eating, so at that time student, you add one more thing. When you are making a diet chart of the food which you are eating, then also write the sources from which food you are getting which type of a nutrient. Thank you student.